Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to earn Swagbucks by watching videos. It's one of the simplest ways to rack up free points, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the Swagbucks app, or go to swagbucks.com on your browser and log into your account. Next, look for the Watch tab in the app menu or the Watch and Watch section on the website. That's where all the video opportunities are. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of short video playlist topics like entertainment, news, lifestyle, sports, and more. Tap or click on a video playlist to start playing. The playlist will usually autoplay for a set number of videos, and you'll earn a few Swagbucks SB per playlist, often 2 to 5 SB. Make sure to keep the video window open and on screen. Some playlists require the sound to be on and the tab or app in the foreground to count your SB as you complete each video or reach a certain number of minutes. Swagbucks will automatically credit your account, so just sit back and let it run. The app and site often refresh with new video playlists throughout the day, so check back periodically to earn more. To maximize your earnings, choose longer playlists when available, approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Consider leaving a playlist open while you work or study. Remember that earnings are small per session, so consistency is key. That's it, just open Swagbucks. Go to Watch, choose a playlist, and let it play.
10.
With a few rounds daily, you can collect enough SB to redeem 4 gift cards or PayPal cash. If this helped you out, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy money-making tips. And let me know in the comments, what are you saving your Swagbucks for? Thanks for watching.